Annyeong chingudeul. I have another one unboxing. It's a Hotsteam eyepatch because I use the computer a lot, so my eyes sometimes got irritated, teary eyes, dry eyes, so I bought this one. It only cost 800 pesos, or in Korean 20,000 won. So I also bought this at Kupang. So let's see. So I'm opening it now. So let's see. And what I like with this is its color purple because I like the color. And I heard and I saw in the reviews that it smells like jasmine. So let's see if it really smells like jasmine. Okay. Oh, it's so tight. It has two boxes inside. 상자가 두 개네, 여보. 어려워. I have to tear it. Yeah. Look, it's USB Hotsteam. Okay. What's inside? Let's see. Look. Ooh, really? 그 Jasmin 나왔다? Smells like jasmine. Ooh, nice one. So it includes manual, of course. Here, manual. So it's with an on and off, and then the timer. So here we go. So USB operated. So you have to connect it to charge. So you have to connect it here. So I have to open this one. Smells good. 향 좋지? And then have to connect here. 박스 버리지 마. 아까 박스 버리지 마. 이거 버리지 마. Yeah, I asked my husband not to throw the box because he likes to throw anything. So you connect it like this, and then I can use the charger like this, USB charger. I don't know if it has already a charge, but let's see. Anyway, so you can see on and then off button, and then there's a timer here. Okay, so let's see. I will on. 충전 없네. Oh, there's no charge. I have to charge. Okay, I'll see you later. Just a moment.
A few moments later.
So I'm going to use this one now. So I will put on my eyes, and then I will turn on, and then use the timer. Okay, I will do it on my bed so I can sleep well later. Okay. To use the Steam eyepatch, you have to connect it with the battery charger like this. So I turn it on. So it's on already. See? and then I have to wear it like this. And but before that, I have to turn it on. So see the lights, and then I push on the hot button, and there is a timer that's 60, 30, and 15 minutes. So let's try 15 minutes first. Okay, let's see. You can adjust the rope here. So now it's getting hot. I will put it on my eyes. Okay, let's see. Oh, smells like jasmine. It's getting hot now. 이제 뜨거워요, 봐. So I will try and let you know later. Okay.
3 hours later.
So you can see here the manual. Okay. And the box. So here you can see the color purple. You can adjust this one as I mentioned a while ago, and smells jasmine. And you have to connect everything here. So timer again. So I will turn I would like to recommend this Golden Eye Hotsteam, especially if you use a lot of computer. Please make sure that you have a power bank to connect so that you can use it well. It will not function without a battery.